Hey there, and welcome back to AI Code King. Ever since OpenAI dropped the bombshell about their Sora project, it's been like a tornado tearing through the filmmaking and text-to-video industry. I mean, have you seen the quality of those videos Sora's churning out? But, as they say, where there's a titan, there are contenders lining up. And the new kid on the block that's been turning heads lately is Pika Labs. Pika Labs is a freemium alternative to Sora. You get to whip up a decent 25 videos a month, each clocking in at a tidy 3 seconds. Not too shabby, right? So, let's take a little peek under Pika's hood and see what all the buzz is about. First things first, head on over to the Pika.art website. Click on Try Pika, and if you're not signed up yet, don't worry, just sign up. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a smorgasbord of community creations to get your creative juices flowing. Now, on to the fun part. Scroll on down, and you'll find a nifty little text box waiting for your command. Type in your prompt, hit that yellow button, and watch the magic unfold. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, crank up the sound effects. Because why not, right? Let's flex our creative muscles and whip up a video of a man conquering a mountain. Type it in, hit enter, and voila! In just a couple of blinks, your masterpiece is ready to roll. You can open it up and check it out in its full glory. And if it's not quite hitting the mark, hit that regenerate button. You can also download or delete it. But wait, there's more. I've dabbled in a few other styles too, just to keep things interesting. Check out this serene drone shot of a lush green forest. Or how about a Pixar-style animation of a guy chilling in a hospital? And of course, we can't forget the anime-style video of a studious girl. Am I right? Pika may not have all the bells and whistles of Sora, but hey, it gets the job done. So here's to hoping we see more of these game changers popping up left and right. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, show some love by smashing that like button, dropping a comment, and hitting subscribe. Until next time, folks, stay creative, stay curious, and keep those videos rolling. Catch you later. Bye.